Welcome to chemistry class. This is video number 1 of chapter 4, water. In this chapter we will study about importance of water, sources of water, states of water, the water cycle, the need of potable water, purification of water, water the universal solvent, water pollution, conservation of water. So these are learning objectives of this chapter. Okay children, so let's start. What is water? We all know that water is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen, and water is very important for all living beings. Water is a liquid which forms rain and fills rivers, lakes, ponds and the sea. And water is very important for life, children. For our survival, we can't live without water. So, we need to drink water our daily life, and water is very essential for all living beings. So, water is in ground and in the air which we breathe. Water is everywhere because on earth water is more than on land. Water is one of the most common and useful substance around us because our each and every work related to water. Water is essential for life because we can't live without water. All the living things, plants and animals needs water to live, because we all feel thirsty and use water to quench thirst. In fact, water is used for a large number of purposes in different fields. This will become clear the following discussion. So children, water is very important for all living beings. So what is the importance of water? Water is very important for all living beings because when we feel thirsty and use water to quench thirst, water is a major component of all living beings because 90% of human body, more than 60 or 70% our body consists of water. Water helps in various processes in our body, for example digestion, absorption of nutrition, etc. Some fruits and vegetables and also rich sources of water are also rich sources of water because they made up of 70 or 60% water. Some of the vegetables and fruits are containing 90% water. For example, tomato contains about 90% water and cucumber contains 96% of water. So, water plays an important role in all fruits and vegetables also. Various animals and plants live in water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, lakes. We need water for various purposes. Some of the important uses of water in different fields are as follows. Children, we all know that water is very important for all living things. To stay healthy, a person should consume 2 or 3 liters of water per day. Water is life for all living beings. A man can live for 7 days without eating, but without drinking water, he will die in 3 days. So, importance of water are as follows. First one is water is used in homes for drinking, cooking, washing utensils, cleaning floor, brushing teeth, bathing, washing clothes, flushing toilets and watering plants. These are domestic uses of plants, and we have to use water in our day to day life. Water is used in agriculture for growing food. Look at the picture. In this picture, a woman is watering the plants because plants also need water to grow. Water is needed to grow all kind of crops plants which provide us food. In fact, the largest amount of water is used for irrigation. This is because water requirement of food producing plants are very high, because water is very essential for their growth. Water of ponds, lakes and rivers is used for growing fish, which is used as food by many people. So in agriculture, water plays an important role. Now third point is water is used in industries for producing almost all the things that we use. The making of paper, cloth, medicine, chemicals, bread, biscuits and many other things in the industries requires a lot of water, because lacking of water they are not made up of. Now fourth point is water is used to keep things cool. For example, water is used in the radiation of vehicles like cars, buses and trucks to keep their engine cool. Normally we saw in movies that car stopped when engine becomes hot. The car needs water to cool down its engine. So water is very important for vehicles also. Water in the river and seas is used for transporting passengers and goods from one place to another by boats, sailing boats, motor boats and ships. Sixth point, water of river and the sea helps in the dispersal of seeds of several plants and trees. Because of water, the seeds of the plants scattered in a good manner. Water is used to generate electricity. At hydroelectricity power plant, water stored in a high dam is allowed to fall gradually from a great height. This fast moving water turns the turbine water wheels because water generate force by which the turbines rotate. So the rotating turbines then run the generators which produce electricity. Look at the picture. Water is falling here. In water dams, water falls on generators and turbines turns. Then run the generators which produce electricity. At thermal power plants, water is boiled to make steam by burning coal, oil or gas. The high pressure steam turns the steam turbines. The rotating steam turbines run the generator which produces electricity. So water is very important in producing electricity. So children, water is very important for all living beings.